Here's the fastest way to learn how to hop on your back wheel. First, start by rolling up into an endo, and then grab your back brake, lean back, and pull the momentum with you back onto the back wheel. Then hop backwards on the bike and pull the bike underneath you. This will start you off in the process. Then, as you get more and more confident, don't jump back as far as you did, and all of a sudden you're hopping on your back wheel. That's a start.
5 tips to help you do a wheelie. Get that seat about halfway up. Change it down to about the 3rd or 4th gear. Weight up front, push it backwards and drive the bike forward. Feather that rear brake. Go too high, press it. Transfer your weight left and right just to counteract where the bike's going. Now put it all together.